Let's go. It's raining and I'm in one of the craziest night markets in Thailand. So many lights, so many shots, so much potential. Oh, it looks incredible. Let's fucking go. Hello. Ooh, this is so woody. Literally everyone around me is like, oh, it sucks. And I'm like, yes, rain, let's fucking go. This is boring. Whew. Let's fucking go. Come on. I have some water on my sensor. Ooh. Ooh. No, it left. Oh. Let's clean the screen. Oh. It's pouring. Absolute madness. Ah, let's go. Whew. Ah. Oh. Oh, thank you. Going in the wrong direction. Oh. No, come on. Come on. Aniba. Okay. Oh my god, let's get back. Hey, hey, hey! Whoa, that was fun, but we have to go back. Hopefully next time I'll be here, it will also rain.